What is Avidemux? It is a free video editor designed for simple cutting, filtering, and encoding tasks. It supports many file types including AVI, DVD, compatible MPEG files, MP4, and ASF. Tasks can be automated using project, job queue, and powerful scripting capabilities. It available for Linux, BSD, Mac OS, and Microsoft.
The benefits of Avidemux software. First, it is a free and open source transcoding and video editing software program. Second, among the best video editing software for online business since it has a small file size. It is suitable to make videos for marketing purposes. Third, it is designed for simple tasks of video editors, encompassing the basic features which are cutting, encoding, and filtering. Cutting features allows users to copy, paste, save, or delete a selected part of a video and very useful when users are only interested in a small part of a video but cut the unused part of the video. While encoding feature is used for converting a video to different format so it can play on other players. For example, the feature can be used to make video for business purpose, which is easier to transmit video over the internet. Filtering, for example, adding subtitles and color profiles, detailing, resizing and sharpening the image of a video, and increasing or decreasing the overall volume of the audio. Next, task automation features are available on Avidemux, making video processing and editing quick and painless. A feature named Job List can organize their projects in a queue, so users can have one place where they can access their files. They can also use the queue if they want to process videos in bulk. Lastly, Avidemux software is very suitable use by beginner video editors looking for basic editing functionality.
The first step is we have to download the software. To download the software, we must Google any open source website. Our group choose SourceForge. Then we type Avidemux. And then we download the software. After download the software, we must install the software. Open the downloaded file in the computer and install the file. After we have successfully installed the software, we can now open the software and start running it.
Now we're gonna click open to import new video. I choose this Ihya Ramadan file to take the intro part. There are basic features in this software. Click the play button to play and pause. Click this button to forward frame by frame. Click this A button to set the start time marker. AB button to set the time marker. These features are used to split or crop the videos. This button is to jump to the end or beginning the video. Click the I button to find the video information and see the size is 9020 by 1080. We could see in the information that the video size is 9020 by 1080, so we don't have to resize this. We change the option of output to MPEG AWC and the audio to MP3 because we want to allow the video filter for advanced option. Click on filter. Add border option is used if we want to add border to the picture. Set the size to 10. And now you can see the border at the video. Open again. We select crop and we set the size to 200. And now the video are zoomed in. We delete the crop because we do not want that. Fade option if we want to darken the video. Now we set the start time and end time. And see the video darken or fade. We want to start edit the video, so we import the video. Click on the info. See the size is 9020 by 720 and not 9020 by 1080. So we have to resize. If we not, the video will be error. To resize, click resize in filter. Set the correct size to make it same size. Save and open the resize video. Now we have the same size video and could append new clips to edit the video. Now we want to crop the video, set the time marker and select delete. We want to add effect, so we click blend and select frame. Now we can see the video become smoother and slow motion. To add music background, we select audio, add track and choose music in a folder and then click OK.
I should have stayed at home. 'Cause right now I see all these people that love me, but I still feel alone.
We have to change the output format MP4 mixer. Click save and now the video format is MP4. Once the video is saved, we can look at the result.
I should have stayed at home. 'Cause right now I see all these people that love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but check my phone. I could have made you mine, but no, it wasn't meant to be. And see, I wasn't made for you, and you weren't made for me. Though it seems so easy. And that's because I wanna be your favorite boy. I wanna be the one that makes your day, the one you think about as you lie awake. I can't.
The conclusion is, Avidemux can help us to smooth up our daily activities and projects because it is a free open source transcoding and video editing software that we can get many benefits from it.